Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, hello viewer, good morning, KGR. We're back here again. I'm working on this vehicle. I'm going to test it. I haven't started working. Let me rephrase that. The lady complained that there's a noise coming from the vehicle when she's driving it. I don't know what it is, but I'm about to test drive this car and see what is going on. Please, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Support your boy. Help me to continue to climb this mountain that I'm climbing. It takes one to know one. It takes two to tango. We cannot be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. There's nothing like I'm a self-made millionaire. Someone help you to get there. I'm giving away the HBO special today. Do you know what's the HBO special, my friend? Help a brother out. But I haven't said that. Shout out to Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, Staten Island, Long Island, KG. You know my slogan. Let's go. We're getting it right now. So we're going to test it. Here's what the noise sounds like. As soon as I engage it in the drive, you hear that noise. You hear that? You hear it? It's so loud. You hear it? That's a noise. So we're gonna jack up this car, see exactly what is happening here. So this is what I found out. I jack up the car. You see the way this thing is wobbling right here? It's wobbling. So the CV joint right in there is broken. You can see it's wobbling. So that's where the noise is coming from. See the wobbling? You can see the... Look at the UV joint, like, see what it's doing. See? There we go. That's a problem right there. You can see. That's the problem right there. That is the problem. So it's 17 bolts and nuts that is holding the UV joint. So you have to jack up the car. You have to make sure you suspend the leg so that you can be able to turn this. There are markets, you don't have to do this, but I did mine anyway. So you can spin it around. Use my power gun to lose it. When you jack it up, the foreleg, you can be able to spin it around the way you want it. Alright, okay. So you can see the damage that actually was done to this, you see? As a matter of fact, I don't even know we can use this thing again. See, the shit is busted. We got a problem here now. See that? See the thing eat off there? That's a problem right there. It's broken. That's really bad. So she been driving with it for too long. Hopefully this can still work out. See, there's something is almost gonna snap out. Alright, let's see what it can do. So this is what the thing look like, you see. You see the thing has been broken for a long time. Look at this side. That was very bad. It was just this two, this side here, and been bad for too long. Anyway, there's a new one I'm going to be using. That's a part number right there. That's the way. That looks good. I'll be changing the both sides. Alright, I already knocked out the both sides, but sorry I won't be able to video this because my camera stand is broken, so I don't have nobody here to video it for me. Like you guys know, I work by myself. I'm on the streets doing my thing, so my stand is broken. That's the pin right there. That's the nipple. The nipple is gonna go right down here, so we're gonna put it like this. make sure the nipple is not facing inside. We're gonna put the outside like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Bring it back. So the grease that normally come with this, you see, it's just a little bit. So I'm gonna put a little bit more inside, just a little bit, to make sure that those teeth don't drop off. All right, so I put this side already. Just make sure you turn it around, it's free. Hope I won't be blocking the video. On this side, clean it. I'll put it on this side now, like this. So put this one first. Like I said, I grease it very well. Sorry if I'm blocking the video. Just use your hand to make sure that you hold this guy so that this guy don't go down. And you just tap this one in like that. Make sure you hold it so the thing don't. There's nobody there to do this for me. So I'm holding it by myself. So that side is in. Not all the way in the way I want it, but I just want to put this one in too. Or maybe I have to knock that side more. What do you think? Let me knock it down more. Just have a couple of inches to go. Okay. There we go. See, it's right there. I can just put this pin out. There's a pin. I'll put a pin right there. Find a way to put my camera not really in the best position that I wanted, but at least I can put this one right there. Use a screwdriver to push that guy in. There we go. See right there. So we'll flip it around. Put the other side. Please, that's just the way. When you're doing it, just like that, you're good. So this one can actually go down like this more. See right there? So you can get it in the way you want it. And there's no sure that there's no bearing, only one that is missing. So now we can do this like this. Tap it down a little bit. Alright. So I'll put it here now so you don't have to. I can put something at the bottom of this. Just like that. So I can hit this down. You know, what do you think? See, just like that. Bada boom, bada boom. It's down. I'm gonna put a pin in it. Put a pin. And we are done. I'm changing the bots the other side too though, but I don't have to video all of that. So you can see it's the same mechanism that you use on one side and the same we use on the other side. Hey, how you doing?
got to pay you a couple of dollars to put some engine oil. You see how much engine oil?
Yeah, I'll be with you shortly.
I'm gonna go and buy the oil.
Okay. All right. You got it. See? Just make sure by the time you're done, it's free like this. And then you key it properly. The pin goes in properly. But that's what hold the thing. So you want to make sure that it goes in really good. The person's life depends on you. You know what I'm saying? It depends on you. All right, see? So I'm gonna do this side as well, because I'm changing the both sides. But with that one that I video, I know you can do yours when you're ready. I see it, KG. All right, it's back in there. Everything looks nice and lovely. Just gonna go ahead now and tie it up. Remember, I marked it up a while ago. You don't have to do that, but make my job more easy. So I'm just gonna tie this 17 now, and we should be good to go. So you guys remember earlier on it was smoky. You can see the difference now. Previous one. Everything looks good. Yeah, that's pretty much it on this vehicle. Hope you liked the video. Please consider subscribing and support your boy. I will see you next time on my next episode. KG signing off. Love you all. Peace. I am done.